What are the common symptoms of nasal vestibulitis?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not widely discussed but is indeed quite relevant: nasal vestibulitis. It's an infection of the nasal vestibule, which is the area just inside your nostrils. Let's talk about the common symptoms you might experience if you have nasal vestibulitis.
What is nasal vestibulitis?
First things first, it's important to know what nasal vestibulitis is. It's a condition where the front part of the nasal passage, right inside the nostril, becomes inflamed due to an infection, often caused by bacteria. It can be quite uncomfortable, but it's usually not serious if treated promptly.
What are the common symptoms?
Now onto the meat of our discussion, the common symptoms of nasal vestibulitis. These might include 1. Nasal discomfort or pain. This is typically localized in and around the nostril, and it can range from a slight annoyance to significant discomfort. 2. Redness and swelling. The affected area may become red and swollen. The swelling can sometimes cause a noticeable change in the appearance of the nostril. 3. Crusting and scabbing. You might notice crusting around the nostril or even inside, which can sometimes result in small scabs. 4. Discharge. There might be some discharge from the nostril. This can range from clear fluid to pus, depending on the severity of the infection. 5. Bleeding. In some cases, there may be minor bleeding from the nostril, often resulting from the crusting and subsequent irritation or picking. Remember, if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice promptly to prevent the condition from worsening.
When should you see a doctor?
Nasal vestibulitis is typically a minor condition that can be treated effectively with topical antibiotics. However, if the symptoms persist, become severe, or are accompanied by other concerning signs such as fever or severe pain, you should see a doctor immediately. That wraps up our discussion on the common symptoms of nasal vestibulitis. It's a relatively minor condition, but it's not something you should ignore. If you experience any of the symptoms we've mentioned, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Your health is always paramount, so take good care of it. Stay informed and stay healthy.